Hello and welcome. My name is Steve Windham, and I'm going to be your instructor for this accounting course, which is Accounting 201 Introduction to Financial Accounting, offered at the University of Idaho. A little bit about myself. I wanted to make this video so that I could basically give you guys an online introduction to me. I've taken lots of online courses, and it's always been one of those things where a lot of times the instructor hides behind the computer and you don't even know what they look like. So I wanted to introduce myself, and my goal is to make at least one video for every chapter. And I also would like to make a few supplemental videos to go over some of the more difficult concepts, as well as things that may be interesting to you as accounting students. That being said, video is not my strong point, and as you notice, my glasses have got a lot of glare on them, and I'm trying to find a way around that. But please bear with me, and the videos should hopefully become better as time goes on. I work full-time in accounting, and the primary license that I have is I'm an enrolled agent, which is issued by the U.S. Treasury / Internal Revenue Service, so I can represent clients before the Internal Revenue Service. So as far as taxation goes, my practice rights are identical to those of a CPA. What I can't do that a CPA could do would be basically audited financial statements. So I do tax audits, but I don't do financial statement audits. Back to what I also offer is I usually do tax preparation and tax compliance. So in addition to that, I also do things such as bookkeeping, budgeting, payroll. I offer advisory and consulting services. Many of my clients are from Australasia, so they need a lot of guidance when they are doing business over here because the U.S. tax system is so complex. So I work with them, their managers, their accountants and attorneys in order to basically get them compliant with the United States tax laws as well as the individual state tax laws. So, well, taxation is a branch of accounting. It's not the branch of accounting that we're going to be studying in this class. This class is going to deal more so with the accounting cycle and financial statements. So, that being said, I also teach accounting. I've taught several places in the past, including the Fairfield Sassoon Adult School and Heald College. And now I'm teaching at the University of Idaho. I am in California, so I'm not actually up there in Idaho, and so you may be wondering how I got hooked up with the University of Idaho, and the answer is that I have several family members who live in the greater Moscow area, and when I came up to visit, I just so happened to stop by the University of Idaho. I fell in love with the school and decided that at some point I would like to teach there. An opportunity presented itself, and I was fortunate enough to get hired, so here I am. Hopefully, the University of Idaho will decide to keep me around, and I'll see you guys in future classes as well. But for now, for this class, I just wanted to make this short little introductory video so that I could tell you a little bit about me. There are over 100 of you in this class, and I do look forward to working with all of you guys. And I plan on being very accessible. So if you need to get a hold of me, there's lots of ways to reach me. Email. I'm going to have Zoom office hours. Everybody's going to have my telephone number, so you can call me, text me, WhatsApp me, whatever works for you. And then also I wanted to give you guys my web address. I've got two, so if you want to know more about me, you can look at those. The first one basically is my business address, which is windhamsolutions.com. And the second one is more so about my teaching, and I've got like a blog on there that has to do with accounting and education and tax. That one is stevewindham.com. That one will probably be more useful to you out of the two, but feel free to visit either one, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. I will be posting additional videos quite frequently, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Alright, thank you.